What's going on, guys? Today we will be installing a backup camera on the camper and the monitor in the cab of the truck. Should be pretty simple. I've never done it before, but let's get to it. Alright, so let's open her up here. Alright, got various wires. Looks like a cigarette lighter, power source, the backup camera, the monitor, and mounting brackets, antennas, and alright, let me start putting some of this stuff together. Okay guys, so I got the antennas installed on the back. I put the mount on the monitor, and the instructions wants you to take this little piece right here and wire the positive and the negative that go to both the camera and the monitor and plug it into the cigarette lighter to test it to make sure it works. Obviously it works. Now what we're going to do is go to the back of the camper. There's already a mounting spot for a backup camera, but it's for a Furrion. So let's go back to the back of the camper, get the cover taken off, and make sure that we got all the wiring and stuff, everything in there. Alright guys, so it's incredibly windy today here in Roswell at Bottomless Lakes, but hopefully this microphone's doing the job. We got 4 screws here. We're going to take those out and see what's behind that cover. Okay, so this is what we got here. I mean, obviously this is set up for the Furrion. We are not going to buy that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this, strip it back, and hopefully this is a positive and a negative wire so that I can mount up the new one. And my suspicions were correct. I snipped the end of that off and I have a positive and a negative, and I will connect the camera wires direct to this and get those all sealed up. So let me go with the camera and stuff. Alright, so I got the camera and I'm going to go ahead and snip this off so I can connect the wires straight over. Let me go ahead and get that snipped, get the wire revealed. Well, it didn't work at first, but with a little bit of finagling, I got the power to work on this cord right here that was coming out of the wall. Apparently, I need my my headlights on for that to have power on the truck. Anyway, well, I'm gonna get this back mounted back up, get all these wires put in here, re-caulk it for water leaks. Okay, so I got the wires connected and then I ran it through this rubber piece that was already on the camper. I just reused that. I've started putting caulk around it right here. I screwed in the mount for the camera. I'm about to reattach it on both sides with those little screws, and once I get that done, I'll be right back, guys. Alright, well, we got it all sealed up. That caulk will turn clear once it dries. I'm gonna go turn the truck on and I'm gonna position the camera and tighten up those 2 screws on both sides, and I will be done with it. Okay, so we got the monitor mounted with a double-sided sticky that was supplied with the backup camera, and hell, I don't know how well you can see that, but we got it positioned, we got her all set up. I just used the cigarette lighter cord and wrapped it around the base a little bit so it wasn't super long, but all in all, she's good to go. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Alright, so today we are going to be installing what's in this box. No, I don't like that. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to be installing a backup camera on the back of our camper. Nope, I don't like that either. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we will be installing a backup camera on the back of the camper and the monitor in the truck. Nope, I don't like that either. Welcome,